still working hard for every dollar, but feel like you're not getting ahead. 2025 is the year to change that. Let's talk about how to save smarter and start earning even while you sleep. Let's start with your active income, the money you earn from your job or business. Here are 3 ways to save smarter. 1. Automate your savings. Set up auto transfers to your savings or investment account right after payday. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Stick to this and you'll never feel broke again. 3. Cut hidden expenses. Audit your subscriptions, eat out less, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Now let's grow that money. Here's how to start generating passive income in 2025. 1. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Low maintenance and historically reliable. Perfect for beginners. Start with platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or eToro. 2. Explore real estate crowdfunding. Too broke to buy a house? No worries. Invest in real estate projects through apps like Fundrise or Realty Mogul with just a few $100. 3. Create a digital product. Got a skill? Package it into an ebook, course, or template and sell it online. Passive income from your passion. 4. Start a YouTube or affiliate blog. Content lives forever. Once it ranks or gets views, you keep earning even when you're not online. 2025 doesn't have to be another year of just getting by. Save smart, invest wisely, and build streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep.